How are you doing, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be talking about some very beautiful formulas that will make your job on Excel very seamless. Like these are very important formulas that you need to know how to use them, particularly when you are dealing with Excel. So, and I will quickly run you through all of these formulas so you can follow me as I'm putting you through along each and every one of them. So the first formula I'm going to talk about is the filter formula. Now look at this particular data set on this page. So it is about different laptop brands. This is generally about laptop sales. So I want to use my filter formula to isolate a particular brand of laptop. As you can see, I have so many brands of laptop here: the Lenovo, HP, Acer, and then their model. So I just want to isolate the laptop model that has the XPS, the laptop brand with XPS 13 model. So that's the only laptop set that I want to isolate using the filter formula. So how am I going to use the filter formula to isolate this particular laptop model together with all other informations included? So I'm going to type my equals to, then filter the array. That means the the set of information I need as an output. So I need all this information from brand, model, price, date, quantity, region. Then comma, including, that means the criteria. So I'll come here, then type my equals to this model. I only want this model. So I'm telling Excel to isolate only this model for me. Then null, I can type not found. That means if this model is not present in my data set here, just give me not found. Click enter. So as you can see, I have 5 SPS 13 model in this particular data set. Now, I can use another formula to count. Supposing I have thousands of output here, so I can use a particular formula to count how many SPS 13 models do I have. So I can use my count all formula. Then I'll just come here like this. Or better still, I can do it this way. So it will still give me the same thing, 5. So then the let me say the third formula I'm going to use is the XLOOKUP. So just like the filter formula too, so XLOOKUP will allow you to find an information. So based on the requirement, like based on your own based on the requirement you are provided with. So this is the requirement I'm provided with. So I want to find this particular laptop brand, Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. I want to know everything about this particular laptop brand. So I'm using the XLOOKUP to find the particular information about this particular laptop brand. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to type my equals to XLOOKUP. The lookup value, that means the requirement is this is my lookup value. Then separate the requirement with a comma. Then the lookup array, so that means this requirement is located at where. So it's located here, it's under model. So I will highlight my model like this, separate with comma. Then the return array, that means what is the output I'm actually interested in. So I need the whole column. So I'll come here like this. This should be my output. Then not found, if not found, enter. So as you can see, so this is a information I'm looking for. So it's actually a Samsung laptop. So the price is 8,000. Then date sold is this. So I can convert this date from general to a normal date. Then quantity sold 3, and then in the northern region. Then my fourth formula, if you look at this laptop model, we have them in repetitive format. So this ThinkPad X1, Spectre X360, I still have another Spreadsheet 360 here. I have Swift 3 here. I think I have Swift 3 here, Swift 3 here. So they are in repetitive format. What if I want them to be, I want them to be repeated just once. That means I want the unique display of my laptop model. So I'm going to use the unique formula. So unique formula will give me, it will give me how many laptop models I have in my store. So without repeating any one of them. So this is the unique formula, the array. I'm going to highlight all my array like this and then click enter. So as you can see here, ThinkPad, Spectre, Spectre X360, Swift 3, Galaxy Boom. So without repeating anyone. So these are all the laptop models I sold in my store. Then I can use sort to this sort formula is going to rearrange these laptop models alphabetically. So I want to arrange them alphabetically. I'm using sort. So I'll come here like this. I then press my enter, as you can see here. So it has been arranged alphabetically. But this is actually a long process. Why not combine these two formulas together and then still give me the same output? Though this part will be omitted. That means you won't see it in the formula. So only the output will be seen. So let's let's do this. I'm going to combine the two formula equals sort, then unique. So it follows the same process. Then press enter. Can you see? It sorted out. It bring out the unique, all my unique laptop models for me, and then sorted them out alphabetically, just like the other output we got the other time. Now, another thing I want to show you is how to add, multiply a number across a row, or let me say down the column. Yes, I think that one is preferable. Down the column, how to multiply or add number or divide number down the column. Now, supposing you have ten maybe 10,000 or 20,000 rows in a data set, and then your line manager asks you to maybe add 3,000 across, maybe you are dealing with a salary structure, and then your line manager asks you to add extra 5,000 to all the salaries of the represented staff on the data set, and you have a very long data set. You can't be handling them manually because it's going to take a whole lot of time. So how can you automate it? How can you do it within seconds, so everything will get updated within seconds? Now look at this price range. I want to add 3,000 down this price range without adding them manually, one after the other, one after the other. So this is how to go about it. This is 3,000 I want to add across this price list. I'm going to come here, highlight it, then Control C. I've copied it. Then come here, highlight it from top to down. Then press this shortcut key, Control Alt V, Control Alt V, or you go to your home tab and then you click on you can come here, this arrow here, and then you click, you see something like Paste Special. So then you come here. So I want to add. Okay, as you can see, everything has been changed automatically. So you can also Control Alt V. You can also multiply, or you can also divide. That's depending on whatever thing you want to do. So that one has been sorted out. Now the last thing I'm going to show us is here. Now suppose you have a data set with the names separated like this, but your line manager wants them in a single column, not separated columns. like this. And maybe suppose you have maybe like 10,000 or something like this that you want to fix in a single column like this. So how will you do it without inputting them one after the other, because it's going to take some days for you to finish them up. So this is how to go about it. So you just tell Excel what you want to do. So Excel will understand and then automate the other procedures for you. So I'm telling Excel what to do now. So I need ID. Okay. So Excel automatically understand what I want to do. So just press Control. I will press my Control E. So my Control E automatically fills the the column for me. So this is what I'm expecting Excel to do for me. So thank you so much, guys, and thank you for staying tuned to my channel. I hope to see you very soon again. Thank you so much.